Hey there, today we will continue the basics about list in programming, and you are watching Take It Easy. So first create the list. So I make this list as a name capital A. So I create a random number list, right, totally randomly. So it's a random list. So now we wanna find the maximum number in this list. So as we can see, the 78 is the maximum number in the list, but let's assume that the list is too long to find the maximum number. Then how can we find the maximum number in a list? So for that we have a module called max. So in the first bracket we have to put the name of the list. Here I type the name of the list is capital A. So as you can see, it's 78. 78 is the maximum number in this list. So now we will find the minimum number in this list. So mean in the first bracket the name of the list, and as you can see 1 is the minimum number in this whole list. Now we will see that how to make arrange a list from a small number to large number. So for that we have a module called sort, and in this way you have to type the module, neither the result will not come. So as you can see, this is my list and this is my arranged list from smaller number to larger number. Now if you want to arrange the list in a way from larger number to smaller number, for that you have to type in this way. Yeah, as you can see, I put 65 double time in this list. I remove, it's not a problem, although. So it's our list from smaller number to larger number, and this is our list from larger number to smaller number. So now we will create list with the string, and there is some interesting about sorting them from smaller to larger and larger to smaller, max and min. There is some quite interesting, that's why I'm showing it. So I put names, I put numbers randomly. So I put A, small a, capital B, small b. Okay, capital A, capital A, capital B, capital B, capital A, capital B, capital A, capital C, capital C E, small capital A, capital B, capital A, small c, small a, small b, small d. Now capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, small a, small b, small c and small d. Here our list. You can put this list in of what you want, but I make this list because of in later we have a great help to understand the concept of max, min and specially short. That's why I arrange this list in this way. Oh sorry, I forget to put the quotations, neither it will not consider as string. Sorry. So copy and paste. To write string, we have to code those strings. So here we go now. So it's a list of strings. So now we will see what is the max number in this whole list. So as you can see, the max number in this whole list is small d. So note here a important point, that the small letter are have priority than capital number. Here you can see that here is a lots of A B C D and everything, but the max is capital D, cause here in the programming the small letters are considered as the higher than capital letters. If I ask Spider that what is the minimum in the list of B, it's capital A, cause capital A, it's a it's a capital letter, so it's a smaller letter, smaller for Python obviously, and A is the first alphabet in the A is the first alphabet, as we all know, so minimum is capital A. Now interestingly, we will sort this from smaller number to larger number. So B dot sort in, yeah, you can see capital A. Firstly, you can see the whole things are arranged in capital A way. So here is some interesting point. Let's make it as, wait a minute, yeah. So capital A, as we all know, it's a capital letter and it's a first alphabet, so it's A, and AABB, because it's all are in capital number, it's all are in capital number. Here is some interesting thing, as you can see here capital A, capital B, capital B, it here also capital A, small a, capital B, small b. In programming, if the two words are similar, then programming search for the capital letter and small letter. As you can see, the first alphabet in this word is capital A, and also in this capital A, but the second word in this is capital A and in this is small a. So these words have the priority to be small because it have the second alphabet as capital letter, and it has a bigger like larger priority cause it's have the smaller number in the second state. So that's why here it is and here it is, cause you can say that after capital A, capital B, you can put this, the programming can put this word to capital A, small a, capital B, small b, but here we have another word in between them, that is capital A, capital B, capital A, capital C, cause capital B is a capital letter and capital words are always have the priority to be small in the programming. So here the arrangement is in like this. So as you can see, and now capital C small, and then after that capital C, capital A, capital B, small a, cause capital C is smaller than whole word, so the capital C is smaller than this word. Then after that, after C is D, and after that, as you can see. So it's all I have to say about basics of list. Thank you for watching.